In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an icon to your Webflow project. This is a simple but powerful way to enhance your site's branding by customizing the favicon, an important visual cue that represents your website on browser tabs, bookmarks, and more. So, let's dive in and get started. First, open your Webflow account and navigate to the dashboard where you manage your projects. From here, search for the specific site to which you wish to add an icon. You'll typically find a list of your projects here, so just scan through and click on the one you want to customize. Keep in mind that ensuring you've selected the right project is crucial because you want the correct branding across all representations of your site. Once you've selected your site, look for the small menu icon generally depicted by 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots to open up a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Settings option. This action brings you into a comprehensive overview of all the settings available for your website, allowing you to tweak various aspects of its appearance and functionality. In the Settings area, you'll notice several tabs, but for our purpose, focus your attention on the General tab. This is where you'll manage the essential elements of your site. As you scroll down, look for the section labeled Icon. This is the area where you can upload the favicon for your site, a crucial step in personalizing your web presence. You'll see an option labeled Upload right next to the favicon placeholder. Simply click on Upload to open your computer's file explorer. Here, you can browse through your files to find the icon you have prepared to represent your site. Make sure your icon image is optimized and follows the standard size guidelines for favicons to ensure it displays correctly on all browsers. Once you've selected and uploaded your icon, it's important to remember that there might be a short delay before the change is visible on your live site. The cache may take a little time to refresh, so don't worry if you don't see the new icon immediately. Give it a few moments and then refresh your browser to see your new icon in action. And there you have it. That's how you add an icon to your Webflow site. It's simple yet effective, boosting your site's identity and making it instantly recognizable to your audience. Whether for branding purposes or just personal preference, customizing your favicon is a step worth taking. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for enhancing your site in Webflow. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your web experience.